AD Naik Wealth, a new vision of prosperity. In this era, everyone has money, but managing it wisely is the real art. And Naik Wealth becomes your partner in learning this art.
Our purpose is to help investors build and protect long-term sustainable and abundant wealth.
The journey has been fantastic. It has been extremely enriching and fulfilling. And now as I look at AD Naik Wealth with 100 talented minds, we may have had small dreams at that point in time, but we fulfilled each and every dream that we had ever seen.
Naik Wealth is always going to be growth.
Nikhil and his company growing from very small to growing and growing faster, bigger, getting bigger and bigger now.
Full credit to Nikhil Naik for creating such a wonderful team.
100 करोड़ का गोल जो उन्होंने रखा है तो रियलिस्टिक हो सकता है.
Thinking from the client's perspective, understanding the client's needs, wants, goals, and then implementing them in the most passive, unassuming manner possible.
We never imagined we could save so much, and now I regret why I didn't start earlier. It's a tremendous journey, and all thanks to Naik Wealth team.
I've seen him in last 20-25 years. He's really grown from not small office to today. He's made two big offices in Lotus.
No, I'm very happy that from a humble beginning, they have become an organization which is recognized today in the financial field. Not only in Mumbai, it is recognized all over the country.
I think Naik Wealth has really managed our portfolio pretty well, and I think the journey has been very rewarding.
आपके लिए यहाँ planning होती है, smartly, personally, faithfully. Start growing with Naik Wealth.
So this business was started by my father, and he was a people's man. He had a passion about serving people and helping them to invest into different things, and that's how the business started. So when I saw him working, I realized that people had a lot of trust on him.
Or associated with Naik Wealth from the time of Nikhil's father, Mr. Ashok Naik, somewhere in the late 90s. Right from that time, I knew they were very helpful to me. Then once they started mutual fund, I had already developed some trust with them and started investing with them.
96 or 97, when Nikhil's dad, he approached me through some connection, and the relationship continued, and it has been growing leaps and bounds.
Then I came to know Nikhil, showing me how to invest, that was his business. So whenever I had such a surplus funds, fixed deposit somewhere, mutual fund somewhere, whatever he guided, whatever he said, all right, we'll do that.
त्यात परत 25 वर्ष मी कुवेतला असल्यामुळे माझा भारताच्या स्टॉक मार्केटशी प्रत्यक्ष संबंध नव्हता. तेव्हा त्यांच्या थ्रू मी इन्व्हेस्ट केल्यामुळे त्यांच्या थ्रू मला आयडियाज मिळत गेल्या आणि मग त्याप्रमाणे मी इन्व्हेस्ट करत गेलो. ये मेरे 4 जनरेशन्स का इन्वेस्टमेंट है. सो तभी उनका जो पोर्टफोलियो का जो ट्रांजिशन का जो था प्रोसेस, सबसे इजीली जो दूसरे भी थे, जैसे कि डीमैट अकाउंट्स का था, दूसरा पीपीएफ का वगैरह दूसरे के पास था, तो उसमें जितना मेरे को तकलीफ हुआ, और नायक वेल्थ का वो जो मेरा ट्रांजिशन जो करना था ट्रांसमिशन के लिए, इट वाज सीमलेस. चित्रा एंड हर टीम हेल्प, एंड नॉट इवन आई नीड टू कम बैक फॉर द सेकेंड टाइम टू गेट इट डन.
गोल नहीं था, प्लान नहीं था. 100 करोड़ का जो एक अलग से सेपरेट इंडिपेंडेंट वेल्थ साइड पे होना चाहिए, वो नहीं था. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉपर्टीज़ के अंदर इन्वेस्ट करता हूँ, तो वो जो इन्होंने मिथ ब्रेक किया, प्रॉपर्टी वर्सेस इन्वेस्टमेंट और कंसिस्टेंट इनकम, तो वहाँ पर माइंडसेट चेंज करने में बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा.
When we started with Naik Wealth, we started with a very small amount of SIP, and our major portion was in bank, in FDs. But in last 10 years, it happens the other way. Now my major part is with Naik Wealth and minor with bank. So Naik Wealth has contributed a lot in my life.
We were not able to grip our retirement planning. We were investing like a layman, but we did not have that confidence. Now, if I am going to retire, then how I can be sure that my finances will be taken care of till the rest of my life. So that confidence we did not have, and with Naik Wealth I have that.
Wealth isn't just about money, it's about security, legacy, aspirations. Because your money deserves a doctor too.
So I've been very lucky that I've met some of the finest investors across different age group, different religion. They speak different languages. But one thing that remained common that I observed across all these thousands of people was the ones who have really made big in their investments had something different. And I think that is their attitude towards money.
हम सभी का सपना होता है एक सिक्योर फ्यूचर जो स्ट्रेस नहीं फ्रीडम दे, where our money doesn't just sit, it works for us.
I being a part of the finance team here, we are always into numbers, so we basically convert numbers into insights to give reportings to the management so that we can have decisions which can help the organization in going towards the growth path. And we have been working with all the teams here closely, assisting them, also taking some decisions which can eventually help in bringing financial discipline in the organization.
Joins the organization with a lot of aspiration. He loves finance, and that is the reason why he wants to be a part of the organization. But at the same time, what is required is a little bit of grooming, a little bit of hand-holding, and ensuring that he walks the journey. And at the same time, once that has been done, we have the tests in place. We ensure he has all that it needs, right from the resources to the infrastructure, everything that is going to be required for him.
नाइक वेल्थ में सिर्फ पोर्टफोलियोज नहीं बनाते, पीस ऑफ माइंड भी क्रिएट करते हैं. Because real wealth is knowing you're on the right path.
As we continue to expand, one of my key responsibilities is to make sure that every new member upholds the same culture, focused on simplicity and ensuring the client is always first.
We are always committed kind of to really serving our clients, because they are the one who actually take good care of us by way of giving us the portfolio, and we also reciprocating by taking good care of them.
13 years that I'm associated with Nikhil Naik ji and AD Naik Group, and very closely working with Ultra HNI clients and creating strategies for their goal achievements and wealth management.
At Naik Wealth, we don't just see you as clients, we see you as partners, dreamers and legacy makers.
So when you want to start a journey, the first thing that probably these days you do is open the Google Map. And the first question that Google Map will ask you, where do you want to travel? You need to enter the destination. If you don't know the destination, Google Map cannot help you. Even if you have a best of the car, or you say, I'll take a flight, but then yes, hey, where do you want to travel? And that is where I think the goal planning starts. And that is the importance of having a goal in your life. You know, they say a change comes much before you expect it. In my last 30 years of career, I have seen that people's goals, they look very far, but in reality, they just happen very fast.
They didn't just invest in markets, they invested in us. Plant today, prosper tomorrow.
And my prayer is in the next 10 years, there'll be a Naik Wealth building with maybe 10-15 floors, and I think that's what I would wish.
Well, I would wish Nikhil all the best. Nikhil, Keteda, Shreya, I think the entire team.
A lot of blessings.
From both of us.
Yes, sir. Shubham Bhavatu and Yashasvi Bhava.
मुझ में है वो बात, हाँ मैं हूँ सबसे खास. मुझ में है वो बात, हाँ मैं हूँ सबसे खास. हाँ मैं हूँ कामयाब, हाँ मैं हूँ आजाद. हाँ मैं हूँ कामयाब, हाँ मैं हूँ आजाद.
AD Naik Wealth, a new vision of prosperity. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.